Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up Ghost's interactive videos on your Shopify website. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to admin.ghostretail.com before signing in with your account credentials. Once you've done so, you'll be greeted with the Ghost homepage, at which point we can navigate to the left-hand side and select Collections. At this point, we'll be able to see all of our created collections in the account to date, and we'll be able to select Add to Site from the right-hand side. On selecting Add to Site, we'll be provided the opportunity to select between 3 distinct display types. At this point, we'll be moving forward with the video carousel option. After we've selected our display type, we'll be provided 2 simple implementation steps for getting this up and running on our site, and we'll copy the script in box number 1 using the icon on the right-hand side. Once we've done so, we can flip over into our Shopify site before navigating to Online Store, Themes, selecting this ellipses, and Edit Code. Once we're in Edit Code, we can navigate to theme.liquid over on the left-hand side, select, and we can search to find the end head tag. Once we've found it, as we can see it's been identified on line 229 here, we'll be able to include our core script right before the end head tag and save our changes. Once our changes have been saved, we can exit. We'll move back to Online Store, Themes, and this time we'll select Customize. At this point, we can look to the left-hand side before selecting Add Section, and we'll search for a custom liquid section today. Once we've added a custom liquid section, we can drag and drop it around our site until we have it in a location of our choosing, and select it so we have the code box on the right-hand side display. At this point, we can briefly flip back to our implementation instructions on Ghost side and copy that secondary script from the second text box. We can flip back into Shopify, include our script in the right-hand side here, and save our changes. At this point, we'll be able to see the videos populate as expected on our site. And that's it. You've successfully implemented Ghost's interactive videos on your Shopify site. If you find yourself in need of any additional assistance or have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Ghost support team. Thank you. Happy selling.